Hey everyone, it's V Buzzing with V. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Well, today's video is a beach ball mini album by scrapdivadesigns.com. This is her information, Instagram, YouTube, and follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters. I do have a discount code for you. That's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. So I'm very excited to share this with you. It's very colorful. A mini album that I went ahead and used the Simple Stories SunKissed collection. I did do a TN book for this last year. I will have that linked below for you so you can take a look at that. So this mini album measures at 5 3/8 of an inch by 5 3/8 of an inch. This is the die here. It comes with 8 pieces. So you do get the base as well as 2 layering pieces. One that looks like the beach ball, you can tell the shape of it and all, and the other is just a circle with some faux stitching on it. You also get the surfboard, you get the flip-flops, and you get the bodysuit. So here I'm showing you that you do have, this is what the bodysuit looks like. It has 2 layering pieces, you can see in pink and yellow. And so it also comes with a tiny bow, and I just love that bow because you can use it with other miniature dies as well as miniature flags, miniature projects, and whatnot. So I did share with you the pink beach ball there, and I just wanted you to see what it kind of looks like. So that's what it is there, and I was hoping to smash my collection here. There's another piece, and get all of the pieces done with, and I just didn't want it in my stash anymore, but it's such a fun collection. I'm also showing you a circle punch scallop edge from Hobby Lobby. It is by the Paper Studio. I've had it for the longest time already. So here I'm showing you the multi-layer fringe scissors, which I used for the tassels. I'm using paper tassels for the binder. I'm also using some miniature magnetic magnets from Amazon. I will have that linked below, as well as the binder rings that I use. So there I'm pointing out that is the body suit, as well as this flag that I made. I stitched on some puffy stickers, and I just love how this turned out. Here is the ephemera pack, and you could pause that there to see all of the other pieces. This isn't a new collection. However, I needed to, or wanted to, finish it off, so I decided to use it here for this beach ball. I don't own any summer collections, so this is what I had. So I did include some other collections in this mini album, but you could barely tell. It's just so minor. There's the flip-flops I'm pointing at. I love the crab. He's so cute. And I did do it a shaker, and using tulle for that. There are the notches there I was pointing at. I used the punch. So here is where you could put a picture, a good size picture. Here's a journal card that slides out. You can't fully bring it out, but it just pulls out. So I did have a tuck spot there, so you could slide in the picture, a picture. So this mini album will be on my shop with ko-fi.com. I will have that linked below if you'd like to pick this up. So the mini album does include 5 pages, and this mini album is interactive. So there's a lot of flips and pulls and magnetic stuff going on. This here that you flip up is magnetic. So here you can add a picture, or you can add some journaling, and it's magnetic. It says summer there, and I did do embroidery threading on that. This here is magnetic, so the bike is magnetic. The wheels have magnets on it, and that's why I turned it over to show you that there was a patch there. The flip-flops is a chipboard, and it slides open to the left. It's being held by a brad. And as you can see, there's other options here where you could pull out under the circle there is more options, and that one is magnetic as well. And so you could do journaling, add lots of pictures. You could do anything you like with that. And so again, that's magnetic. I just love how the flip-flop slides around. So that's that is a chipboard piece. So, and the brad I picked up from Michael's a long time ago. So you'd probably have to search the web to see if you can find some floral brads there. So here's the last page, and unfortunately it's not the last page for us. However, this is the last page of the mini album that I'm sharing, but we're going to keep going. As you can see, I do have 2 journal cards there. I also have a spot for picture or journaling, whichever you'd prefer. And on the back, it's plain. You can also add some journaling with a white gel pen, or you can add a picture. Here are the flip-flops, as well as the tab. It says bright. That word piece there is from the Sunny Days collection. And so I did glue on a seagull there, and I just love how he's just hanging out there. And I'm just going to put everything back in, and we will begin with the other side of the mini album. So starting with the back side, here's the back side. It's also decorated with some tulle and sequins and some stitching as well. And I like the teal and the pinks together. I chose to go with the gold sequins to mimic some sand. So here's a multi-layer pocket. I just included a small journal spot there. Also some ephemera pieces, as well as a flag that I stitched together with a seagull, and some more journal cards. These are cut apart journal cards. So all of the journal cards that you see are cut aparts from the collection, and there is all of the layers there that I'm showing you. It says sweet on the top. It's very stitched up, and also says summer vibes, and at the very bottom a summer vibe ephemera piece with a sand bucket. So I just love all of the layers in this page here. And you can just tuck away some pictures and journaling in here, and also some souvenirs as well. So I made it multi-layered, and also included the ephemera pieces so you could tack on to anything you like. You could staple them to anything that your heart desires. And so this is the next page. It says Sun plus Shine. That is from the Sunny Days collection, and I included a journal spot. And here is a sticker, flip-flop sticker, as well as a surfboard from the die set. I did include a flag that I stitched up with a cute crab, and used a journal card cut apart from the collection, and you can add journaling or a picture there. And the van, I was going to call it a bus. The van is a chipboard piece. I stitched on the word live from the Sunny Days collection, and I just love all of the stitching, all of the details, and there's so much to look at, so much to pull, flip, and look at. So I just love that about this. I'm seeing that I didn't add any charms. I'm gonna have to go back and add some charms to the edges of this mini album, maybe on the left side, since the right side has all of the pull tabs. There's a flag again, and here is another cut apart journal piece that I pieced together. I'm also using the Essentials die by Scrapdivadesigns, and that's what I use for all of the circle pieces. So anything circle here, you know that it came from Scrapdivadesigns. There's the flag, and so I just have some layers here at the bottom just for decorative purpose. This is a fun beach theme mini album, and here is the back of the front cover, the last page that I'll be sharing with you. I did include 2 flags here. Those are also machine stitch that I made. Also a journal spot or a picture spot, whichever you'd prefer. You could sneak in some journal writing under the sunny sticker there, and I just love that you can do that, as well as on next to the crab. So next to the crab you can also write some journaling there. So this is the mini album. I hope you enjoyed that. I really did enjoy making it. I was going to do a card because I didn't have that much time, but I went ahead and dove in and made a mini album because I just love making mini albums. I love sharing them with you as well. And I think they're so cute and colorful, and especially interactive mini albums. I just love them. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.